Welcome back, students. In the last period, we have completed the story of Sindbad the Sailor. I hope you have understood the story. And do you like the story? Yes? Okay. So today we will discuss the question answers. So these are the question answers given on the last page of the at the end of the chapter. So we will see the first question, that is, write at least one or two lines about the following with the help of the story. So we have to write one or two lines about Sindbad, the king of the island, and the sea monster. So the first one is Sindbad. So Sindbad was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous, and brave. He had many adventures on each of his voyage. He never lost heart and hope in the dangerous situations. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely from each of his voyages. Now, number 2, the king of the island. The king of the island was kind-hearted and generous. When Sindbad had no place to go to, he asked Sindbad to stay with him. He also asked him to work as an officer of the king at the port. He gave Sindbad many valuable gifts when Sindbad left the island. Now the third one is the sea monster. The sea monster was huge. Most of its body was under the water. When it felt the hot fire on his back, it plunged deep into the sea. So this is question number 1. Now question number 2. Imagine what the people there might have said on the following occasions. Now few occasions are given, and what the people might have said at that occasions, we have to answer that. So the first one is, people on the ship saw a small island at a distance. So we have to tell what they might have said. So the answer is, the people might have said, "Hooray! An island! Now finally we can walk about, sing and dance. We can even light fires and cook fresh meals." So these are the people saying at that occasion. Now the next one, when the island began to shake. So when the island began to shake and move, the people might have said, "Hey, what's the matter? Why is the earth moving? Is it an earthquake? Help!" So these might be the expressions of the people at that time. Next question, when some people managed to climb aboard the ship. So when some people managed to climb aboard the ship, they might have said, "Come on, hold my hand and climb." So they wanted to help other people, so they might have said, "Hold my hand and climb. You will be safe." Or they might have said, "Thank you, I am safe. Now to help the other, come on." So these were the sayings of the other. Now the next one is, what the grooms there might have said when they saw Sindbad on the seashore. The grooms might have said, "Hello, who are you? Why did you come here? Are you hungry? You can have some food or drinks." The grooms may have said this. Now what happened when the captain of the ship might have said, when he recognized Sindbad, what he might have said. When he recognized Sindbad, the captain of the ship might have said, "Hoy, hoy there, you are Sindbad, aren't you? Sindbad, how did you reach this place?" So these are the words of captain at that moment. Now what Sindbad might have said on the occasion of saying goodbye to the king. On the occasion of saying goodbye to the king, Sindbad might have said, "Goodbye, Your Majesty. Thank you for all you have done for me. You have been extremely kind and generous. I shall never forget you." So these are the words of Sindbad while saying goodbye to the king. Children, you are not supposed to write these question answers in your copy. We are just only discussing these question answers. Now, question number 3. Use the letters in the following words to make new and meaningful words, at least 5 each. So you have to make a meaningful word from the words given. So example is given, the word is island. So the meaningful words from islands are is, in, land, and, sand, and lid. Likewise, you have to make the meaningful words from the words given. So the first word is merchandise. Merchandise means merchandise. So the words from merchandise are hard, hide, made, and rise. The next one is immediately. So the words from the word immediately is date, meal, meet, tell. Number C, exhausted. So the words from exhausted are shut, exhaust, hut, seat. D number, valuable. Value, able, bull, and bell. Number E, generous. So words from generous, sun, green, sun, or are. So in all the words, I have made only 4 from each. And the homework for you is, from each word you have to make one more word and write them along with these 4 words. Now the next question is, complete the following. Sindbad could see hills and dash. So now you have to see in the textbook what is the next part of the sentence. So the answer is, Sindbad could see hills and woods and trees at a distance. Now number 2, the grooms took Sindbad to. To whom the grooms took Sindbad? So the answer is the king. Number 3, the king asked Sindbad to work as. So what king asked him to work as? An officer of the king at the port. Number 4, no such ship ever. So what you have to complete this sentence? No such ship ever came to that port. So children, you are not supposed to write question and answer separately. You have to write only the answer part, means the complete sentence, and underline the sentence, underline the answer part of the sentence. Now the next question number 3, make sentence of your own using the following phrases. Now you have to make sentence using the phrases. So number 1 is on the island. So we have made the sentence, there were many animals on the island. Next is number 2, at the distance. We could see the monster at the distance. Number 3, for many days. So traveler did not eat anything for many days. Number 4, for a picnic. All the children of standard 3rd went for a picnic. So you have to make sentence using these phrases. So children, you will not write all these question answers which we have discussed. I will send you a PDF file for those questions which you are supposed to copy down in your copy. So we will copy down only those question answers which I will send you in the PDF file. Thank you.